Bonjour. During the budget presentation, you will also present the competition, its evolution, renovation in progress or finalized, new competitors, new concept, restaurant, bar, etc. Also, STR forecast. I will give you the link to the video on STR and its KPIs. The company STR during the budget period gives us the opportunity to have its analysis of the market for the next year, and thus has the forecast of the ADR, occupancy rate, and therefore the RevPAR of our competitive set for next year. Of course, your budget proposal must be in line with this evolution of the market. Whether you propose a budget well above or below the market, it will have to be explained. Obviously, your owner will be waiting for an above market offer. In the next video, we will see occupancy expenses.